Oh, okay. While recording this, I forgot to say that you that I chaptered this in the beginning. So this is just a little thing to tell you. So yeah, this is chaptered. All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome to another video. Well, not well. Hello, everybody. Let's redo that. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the video. I'm gonna show you how to make a multiplayer VR game made with Unity. So, what you want to do first is open Unity Hub. If you don't have Unity already, there will be a link in the description. So you want to go to installs, install editor. If I go way too fast, you can pause the video. I think you already know that. Anyways, install editor. I have this one. I like this one a lot. It works very well. I'm doing this tutorial from another tutorial I watched it from, so that one will also be in the tutorial in the description. Even though I'm showing you the exact same way, but he does it way funnier. Anyways, so I installed the 2020.3.4 2020.3.43 F1 LTS version. If you want to be able to make an APK to like give it to your friends, or like just be able to play the game without any lag, then make sure you have Android support. So say I install this version, Android build support. Do it, and it'll just auto select these. And I'm not gonna install another editor because I have like, let me see how much storage I have. Like no storage. So new project, 3D. If you already have like a bunch of versions, select the one that you chose for VR. Even though there is a VR, we're not going to use that. We're going to use 3D because it's the best. Name it something. We'll name it whatever you want. So I'm going to name this tutorial. If that's not how you spell tutorial, I'm very dumb. So you're just going to wait for this to load. So I'll catch you guys whenever this is done loading. Alright, the project is now loaded. So first of all, you want to just get rid of that main camera. Do not duplicate it. Delete it. Delete main camera. Alright. Okay. Alright. So delete that, because we don't need the main camera. We'll have another main camera. I also have the link to get the Gorilla Locomotion. It's the actual, and I mean the actual locomotion that's used in Gorilla Tag. So that's also gonna be in the description. Anyways, so click on File, Build Settings, Player Settings, XR Plugin Management, install XR Plugin Management. Now this is gonna install. Yeah. Once that's installed, click on the monitor thing and click on Open XR. This is what's gonna be used for PC VR. Or you can just use Windows Mixed Reality. Your choice. When it says this, just click yes. It'll restart Unity save. Click save. It'll restart Unity. I always say Unity. It's supposed to be Unity. It'll restart Unity. Once it's back up, you can close out of that. Don't mind that. Click on this. Click on Oculus. Now it's gonna install the Oculus. OpenXR. The X. It's gonna install the Oculus VR support. Make sure these are set to multipass. Just make sure. OpenXR, set these to multipass. Now click this plus for interaction profiles. It'll say list is empty. Select Oculus Touch Control Profile. Make sure it's on this. Click on the monitor thing. Same thing, list is empty. Click the plus, but instead choose Valve Index Controller Profile and Oculus Touch. So now that you have those, you can exit out of that. Click fix. It'll take a bit, but it'll fix it. Once you do that, just make floor. You obviously have to make a floor. How else would you be able to walk around and be a monkey? I like to import materials, but for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna make a black material. So, alright, now that we have our black material, you can open up your file explorer, click on downloads. If you haven't already installed the Gorilla Locomotion, install it. It's what you need. You just want to double click on it. Click import. Click reload. Well, I don't know why. Okay, I don't know why the main camera's here. Delete it. Delete the main camera. Make your floor. Just make your floor, man. It's not that hard to make a floor, dude. Just make the gosh darn floor, okay, guys? Alrighty. Like, you just need the Gorilla Locomotion thing, bro. It's literally what you need. Literally, bro. Like, if someone were to come up to me and say, you don't need locomotion for Gorilla Tag knockoffs, then what are you gonna use? How do you know the script, buddy? Anyways, once you do that, I forgot to tell you, but Window, Package Manager, Unity Register, that, now a bunch of people click this and just click this and then just type in calm, all that stuff. I don't do that. It's in the Unity registry. Don't know how they don't know that, but it's in here. Install it. Samples thing. I made a backup. Go ahead, save. Okay, once that does that, click on samples. Now import the starter assets. Once the starter assets are imported, you can click off of that. Now wanna go to your assets. Hold on. I'm brain dead right now. Hold on. Resources, Gorilla Preference, Gorilla Rig. Here we go. So now we got our Gorilla Rig. Do not change any of this. Got it? Do not change. You can add material to the hands if you want. This does not matter. That doesn't matter, because it's still going to have its colliders. Like, bruh. Okay, so if it says XR rig has been deprecated, do not worry. It does not mean anything. It's still going to run perfectly fine. Okay? So do not worry. So we got our VR guy, Majigable Bobbers. Now you can use the Gorilla Locomotion scene thing, Majigable Bobber, thingy Majigable Bobber. But you can make your own map. So now what you want to do, alright monkeys, if you want, alright monkeys, alright monkey people, alright gorilla people, alright gorilla tag people who want to make their own fan game, alright, so okay, oh my eyes, hold on, window, package manager. If you don't already have it, you wanna just go. Okay, so go to the asset store. All right. Go to the website, which is assetstore.unity.com, which it will be in the description. Type in Normcore. Click it, and then just click on this. Mine says open in Unity because I already have it, but if you don't already have it, then it'll say like add to my assets. That's what it'll say. So once you do that, once you get that, it'll pop up here. You can click open in Unity. You import it. It's going to say install. Install it and then import it. Alright? Once you get in, once you get the Normcore thing all like this, like once you get the Majigable Bobbers of the Normcore, it'll open this. Just click close. Exit that. Alright. So now, okay, so you can test it out right now if you want. It won't have multiplayer because obviously you're doing it in Unity, and we haven't set up the VR. Multiplayer. So pause the video and do that right now, okay? Do it right now. All right. So once you've done that, hold on. All right. So once you've done that, so now what you want to do? Assets, normal, examples, VR player. You see this? Well, actually, we have to do something with the VR thing, but we'll get into that later. Take this, drag it onto there. All right, so we're gonna get into the VR Majigable Bobber, the big bobber, the thing. All right, hold on. I'm trying to find it. Hold on. Samples, no, starter. Okay, alright. Get the starter assets. Alright. Click on all these electrical Among Us task things, because they actually do look like that. The wire task, that thing. You want to add to action-based continuous move provider default. Do that with all of them. And I mean all of them. Not just one, not just two, all of them. I'm talking about all of them. Alright? So once you've done that, file, build settings, player settings, preset manager. Find action-based controller. For the right controller you want to just type in right. Spell exactly like that. No spaces, no capitals. Same thing for left. Just type in left. There, now that you got that, you're done. You're done with that thing. You're done with that. Alright? 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 Don't mind these. These are literally just nothing. You don't need these. Okay? And that's how you make a VR game. We haven't added real multiplayer yet. So, probably trolled you. So what you want to do now, so you see this stuff right here? See this stuff? Take Gorilla Player, put it for root. Set it as root. Take main camera and set it as head. Take the left hand, set it as left hand, and then right hand as right hand, obviously. Now, I'll have the link in the description, but you want to go to this website, normcore.io, log in. So now, if you haven't already used this, want to make a new application, name it whatever. I'll just name it tutorial, so let me do that. Alright, so you want to save that. Once it pops up, just click on one thing and just copy it. That's your app key. So you want to go back to your game app key. Just do that. Just Control V it. Okay. You can change the room name if you want. But you don't have to change anything else. Just don't change anything else. All right. And yeah, that's how to make a VR Gorilla Tag multiplayer game. Now, that's just doing the Unity part. Now we're gonna build it and then export it. Alright? We're gonna build it and then we're gonna, publish it to itch.io. So you want to just save, file, build settings. Now, if you're doing this on Android, you just click switch platform. Now, I'm not doing Android because I don't do standalone. I do PC VR. One, because I don't have developer mode. Two, because I don't have side quest. Anyway, so PC, Mac, and Linux standalone. Select this. You can't have it. You can't just no. I like to add open scenes, so you can do that if you want. You don't really have to for PC VR, but you can if you want. Now, don't change any of this. You can change this though. Changing this doesn't matter. Just click build. Click this. Click new. Hover over new. Now select new file. Name it whatever. So. Alright, so select folder. It's going to build your map in the background. Look over here, look right here. Poof, gone. All this gone. But as soon as it's done exporting or building, all that's going to come right back, as you can clearly see. And then you have this. Clearly, Gorilla Tag was made by Unity. Not made by Unity, but it was made with Unity. Because if you do not know, if you open up the files in Gorilla Tag, you can literally see that there's Unity Player, Unity Crash Handler 64.exe, and then there's the thing, but you can change the you can change this somehow. Hold on, I wanna know how to do that. Alright, back. I don't know how to change. I don't know how to change. Oh, wait, what? No, okay. I don't know how to change the thing, so you're just gonna have to figure that out on your own. There's all this. There's the OpenXR Unity stuff, resources. There's this, plugins. There's all that. manage, is all this. It's just all DLL, etc. Mono, just all this stuff. You can explore and edit all these things if you want, but I recommend not doing that because it'll probably mess up your game. Anyway, so once you do that, you wanna just click on the file. Now you wanna click on your thing, right click, compress the zip. Alright, so it's gonna compress it, obviously. So once it's compressed, you can close out of that, close out of this, close out of that. Alright, open this up, go to itch.io. Alright, now if you're not logged in, log in. It'll automatically bring you to here. Name it whatever, so I'm just gonna name it tutorial. Now I'm just gonna beans. Oh yeah, if you made a YouTube video of the game. Anyways, if you have like a PayPal or something like that, you can set up the payment configured. But if you don't and you want it and you can't, then you can just select no payments, and it'll make it completely free. Literally, click upload files. Go to whatever your game is. So mine's here. Where's my tutorial? Here we go. And then find the zip. Click on the zip. Click open. And it's gonna upload. So yeah. So while it's uploading, I'm just gonna cut the video here until it's done uploading. So alright, we're back. Totally off camera while I was about to clap again. I did not just hit my mic. I definitely did not do that. Alright? Definitely didn't. Now, select select executable. Alright? Select executable. There's all this other stuff. If you made a mod for a game, then you want to select the mod. But if it's like a game, your game, then you want to select executable. For since Mac doesn't have PC VR, Linux doesn't have PC VR, obviously Android doesn't have PC VR. You just want to select the Windows. Okay. So once you do that, if it's on like any other web thing, you can just select it like Steam, you know. But I don't do that. There's a video, there's like description, download instruction thing, bobber. Click save and view page. Click the back arrow. Click public. Now click save. What is this? I never seen this. Oh. You don't have to do any of that. Just save it, view page. Now when people see it, they're gonna be like, oh hey, like be sure to make a good thumbnail and some good screenshots and give some information. Make an actual description of the entire game, bro. And then make a install thing. Like all you gotta do, bro. All you gotta do, click in the install. It's gonna download. Alright. Click this. This is gonna be chaptered. Alright. So then you wanna click this, extract all, browse, wherever you wanna put it. So I'm gonna put it here in my OS folder. Just space that. I'm just gonna name a new folder. And then you can extract it to there. Or if you don't want to make a new folder, then you can just, well, obviously you can just, well, no, you can't. And then here we go. This is what people will see. They can mess around with it, but they'll regret it. But yeah. that is that. So that's how to make a VR multiplayer game with Unity. If you thought this video was helpful, please subscribe. I am begging you. I want to get to 100 subscribers. It's literally my goal. What? Okay. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe because I really want the subscribers. YouTube's been my biggest dream. Okay, bye.